As you can see, I'm a pretty... Hey, you guys. Literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. Hey, you guys. Oh wait, I already said that. How's everybody doing? How's life going? Hubs and I just got back from vacation yesterday. We had a really good time in Savannah. It's a very cute town, very historic. Lots of beautiful iron gates and old architecture. We had a really good time. Got to see my parents for the first time since 2018, so that was great. But we did make it back in time to see Doctor Strange today, so that is what we're doing. And when we arrived home, I actually got my Lethal Cosmetics mystery bag that I ordered way even before we left. So I thought it would be fun to hop on and unbox this baby, see what we got, and I'm hoping that there are some things that I can finish this face with for our movie date. So let's get it on. When I went on their site, I saw that they were doing, just for a limited time, a mystery bag because they're trying to unload some of the other products because they brought in a whole new lipstick line and some new eyeshadows. So I kind of figured that they were doing mystery bags just to get rid of some old product. I'm totally into it though. Please surprise me with all the makeup. It was only 29 bucks. Very excited to see what we got in here. First, you can see it did clear customs because this is a company that's based in Berlin. So that's why it took so long to get here. Okay. This is the inside, proudly made in Berlin, Lethal Cosmetics. They always send like a little thank you card with all the workers because it is a small company and so it's kind of personalized. I can tell already this bag is gorgeous. So this is the Lethal Cosmetics Rainbow Hologram Bag. Very, very pretty. It's like a plastic PVC. It's got a little like, not a zipper, but like one of those like zip bag type things. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. I can tell right off the bat that there's a couple lip products in here. So that's exciting because I have no Lethal Cosmetics lip products. So that is cool. Let's go ahead and just open the first one. This is in the typical Lethal Cosmetics holographic packaging. This looks like a lumen lip gloss in the color Nexus. It's actually a very pretty color. Whoa. This is a very, very pretty color. I like this one a lot. Let's go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Gloss color. This is called Nexus. Maybe we will use this one while we are getting ready today. Let me look at the next one. This is the Chimera in the color Voltage. Let's, oh. Ooh, how cool is that, huh? This is like a liquid lipstick. I love me a liquid lipstick, especially if it dries down to like a demi-matte. But I have found that oranges and corals on me just, I don't know, they just don't read right with my skin tone. So I'm probably actually never gonna put this on my mouth. Oh, it's so pretty though. It's like super pigmented and like a very bright orangey color. It's actually really pretty, but I just know myself, I'm never gonna put this on my face. But since it is an orangey color, why don't we put this little guy into this little guy? It's an orange color. It can be good for spooky season. So why don't we put him in the spooky season Harris giveaway? We're gonna take the, what looks like third lip product out. And this is Spire lipstick in the shade Axiom. Ooh, I really like that packaging. Nice matte black packaging. So Axiom looks like a brown. Let's check it out here. Oh yes, it is. It is a very pretty brown color. Ooh, and it's like magnet. Ooh, I like. What do you say we swatch this just to see? I like that a lot. Yeah, it's like a really pretty brown. I'm excited to try that one out. So that was like kind of a win. Okay, now we're getting down to the nitty gritty here. I can already tell that these are some eyeshadows. Oh, there's two of them. Yay! So this is how they come. They're in little packs and it's really cute. So here, I'm gonna open up one so I can show you. So When you actually open it up and take the eyeshadow out, there's always like a little saying on the inside, this is the beginning of something great. This is a matte called Remnant, and it is actually really pretty. I like that a lot. It's kind of like a neutral, but still has some color. Let's up this color. Oh, it's actually really, really, really pretty. Here's the second color. This one is called Echo. See, it's kind of like a shimmery. I really like those a lot. Those are really, really pretty. And then I see in here, it is the magnetic tool that they use to modify their palettes. So this is a little tip, and then this is a little spatula side. I'm gonna show you how this works actually, because I have some Lethal Cosmetics palettes with me, and we're gonna put these ones in my building palette anyway. I've showed you this before. This is a Lethal Cosmetics palette I bought, and I bought all of these shades. As you can see, I'm a pretty neutral girl when it comes to some eyeshadows. These are gonna fit in here really nicely. So how these work are they are all magnetized so that you can just stick them right into the palette. And so like this tool can be used to move the eyeshadows around and or get underneath them so that you can actually move them so that you don't have to like stick your finger in it. And I have done that a million times where I have went to go move one and my fingernail gets stuck in the actual pigment. So I have been looking for one of these for a very long time. And I'll show you what the pointy end does. So here's my Nightflower Lethal Cosmetics palette. If you can see, they put holes on the back of these. So if you ever want to pop one out to like change out a color, you just stick the end in there and it pops it right out. And then you can like change it without having to like dig in there. So that's actually really cool. I can't remember how much they charge for these, but I always saw on the website and I was like, wow, that would be actually really cool to have. Now, that's the end of my bag. Look how pretty this bag is. Now that we went through all those things, why don't we just like finish up the space so that I can go to the movies and we can try out these two eyeshadow colors and maybe one of these lips. What do you say? Well, hello there. All right, so I am going to use the two colors that I just got in this box, but I'm gonna lay down like just some base to start out. So I'm actually gonna go in with I love this color. I can't tell you what it's called because the name is on the back. It's a very pretty kind of like a rosy neutral taupe. So we got like a little bit of a base down. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of that. Oh yeah, that is very, very pretty. Wow, what a pretty like electric pink. I did not expect it to be like that kind of bright pink, but I really actually am digging that a lot. I'm using that Tarte Snape brush. I actually really like these brushes. We're gonna pick up some of that. Yeah, this is definitely some neon summer vibes I'm getting. How freaking amazing is this? This is like super cute. Okay, I'm actually gonna pull out this Ornate Colourpop palette just because it has this mustard yellow color in it that I really, really, really do like, and actually has a couple colors that are similar to the one that we just put on. And I want to put some of this like on the inside. This is called Siren from Colourpop. I don't know if they have it anymore. I don't know if they have the Ornate palette anymore, but see how it kind of just gave like almost like a sunset fade? Yeah, that's like super pretty. I like that a lot. Smoke it out a lot. We're going for the look today. We're going for the look. Okay, and just to get a little bit more dimension on the outside, I'm gonna go into this deep Rival color just a tiny bit. Awesome. For good measure, we're gonna pull it just a tiny bit down on the outside corner. Okay, so right now it does look like I have a little bit of a disease, but I am gonna go put on my eyeliner and mascara and be right back, and then we'll finish up with lips, and it is gonna make a difference. So hold please. Okay, we're back. I have my eyes all outlined. It doesn't look like I'm sick anymore. It's debatable. We're just gonna finish off the look with the lip gloss that I got in the box in the shade Nexus. So let's see how that's gonna work here. This is just a gloss, so we're just gonna slap this on. Ooh, that's actually really pretty. It's like a neutral mauve pinkish. I like that a lot. That's actually really pretty. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm actually pretty happy with it. It's pretty appropriate to go see Doctor Strange today. I'm pretty satisfied with that. I actually really like the sunset effect that the eyeshadows kind of gave when I put them together. So this is a mix of Lethal Cosmetics and Colourpop. I used the 2 Lethal Cosmetics eyeshadows that I got in the mystery box, and then I accented with some Colourpop that I just had in some corresponding colors. But I think that it actually came out pretty good. Pretty happy with that. And the lip gloss, I think it looks great with this look. So, all right. So just to recap, we did get the Lethal Cosmetics mystery box, and that came with this really pretty holographic makeup bag, the 3 lipsticks, including what I'm wearing now. We got the 2 eyeshadow colors in Echo and Remnant, which are these really beautiful pink and corally colors. Tool to customize your own palette. So I think that that was actually pretty good for like 29 bucks, especially from an indie brand company, and the quality of the makeup. So I am pretty happy with that. If you guys could like this video, that would be awesome. If you could dislike it and let me know why, that would be awesome too. If you could subscribe to follow all of my shopping antics and also be on the lookout for future giveaways. I do have a designer dupe giveaway going on right now, and that is over on my DHgate videos. So if you are interested in entering to win a imposter Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag, you can hop over to one of my DHgate videos and find that link. Or you can just stay tuned for the Gothy Spooky Season giveaway that is going to be coming in October, and I'm constantly building for that. If you've seen some of my past videos, I've already put some stuff into there, so that's very exciting. So just keep up to date by subscribing and liking and all of that stuff. I love you guys so much. I will see you on the next one.